So what a fall in the market, right? And it was not a surprise to me because already we are bearish. Even though market moved, everybody talked about 17,000. I knew it is not going to touch. Even yesterday, today also I sold today morning 17,500. Nifty from 17,200 went to 17,300. How much? Yeah. So it was all over the places, and look at the fall, how it is falling. Very, very pathetic, right? So this is what we have been telling for a very long time, and people were trolling. Even yesterday, people were trolling that whatever I do, they do in opposite direction. Who is saying me? No, I'm not the guy. I'm not the guy like that. I've been telling for last 1 week, short the market, go short, 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 and see what has happened today. I'm not turning from bullish to bearish, bearish to bullish, then bullish to bearish. I am at the same stance from last 1 week. I am bearish and I continue to be bearish. And if you see this chart, look at the way market from gapping up around from yesterday's close, today's open, gapping up around 100 points, going all the way to 17,372, then touching 17,000. 17,000 is a crucial support. In the last 3 or 4 sessions alone, I think 10 sessions alone, 17,000 has been tested more than 5 or 6 times. Now the main reason for this thing to happen is because of yesterday. The thing is, yesterday why the US markets rallied was because of Facebook or Facebook's parent company Meta platform. They came out with a good result, and we discussed this in yesterday's video also. That was the only reason. Before it was Elon Musk Twitter buying, now it was Facebook. Apart from that, there is no good news at all. Going forward, on 3rd and 4th of May month, US Federal Reserve will come out and increase the interest rate. They will increase the interest rate from to either 50 or 75 basis point. That is a very, very bad sentiment for the market, and markets are reacting to that. That the price action yesterday you saw in US market is only 1-day price action. That's because of Facebook. Otherwise, everything is on the wrong side. When it comes on the negative side, when it comes to Russia-Ukraine issue, all these days, German is the biggest consumer of Russian oil, which was against banning Russian oil imports. Now it also has joined the European countries to fully ban Russian crude oil. So what is going to happen is, worldwide oil prices are going to increase, and that is what has happened here. So if you see here, Brent, I think Brent crude has gone from around $10 to around $110. So all these things are being factored into, and markets are going on the downside. Now 3rd of May is going to be our holiday due to Ramadan, and we will be closed on Tuesday. So we don't know how it is going to span out on Wednesday. Maybe things may go down. If 17,000 is broken, then we can see market next support is at 16,800 and 16,500. And Bank Nifty, see, oh my God, highly volatile Bank Nifty, right? Very hard to trade in Bank Nifty. And I thought we will post the profit and loss video today, but seeing the market crash like this, I was like, okay, we will talk about the markets today and we will post the profit and loss statement tomorrow. And that is why we are saying we have to go for long-term options. Anyway, we are conducting a webinar on 8th of May. All you have to do is, if you want to join the webinar, all you have to do is you can download our app, for which the link is on the description below, and you can sign up for webinar. So we will talk about long-term options, how to deploy long-term options, how to, like, when you can deploy long-term option, how you can emotionally control these kinds of gap ups and gap downs when it comes to long-term options. See, since you are going for long-term options, there are many benefits, and as well as there are some advantages and there are some disadvantages also. So if you want, you can join. So coming back to the market, so German issue is there, this Russia, then US Federal Reserve interest rate hike is there. We don't know whether it is 50 basis points or 75 basis point. Then the other issue is that maybe F&O peak margin, I read news somewhere, that could be the fear why people have started selling aggressively. That could be the reason, one of the reason. Apart from that, I don't see any upside. Even open interest is showing highest amount of calls being returned both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Super aggressive call rating both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And for your information, FIIs data, if you see the FII data, today they have sold for more than 3,648 crores. Aggressive selling. So yesterday, one day they have bought for around 700 crores and everybody started being bullish in the market, and they have started selling again, and this is going to accentuate going forward. They are going to increase the selling spear only. They are not going to stop. My estimation is at least market should hit maybe end of this May series, market may touch maybe 16,000 or even 15,000. If it touches 15,500 also, I wouldn't be surprised. So that is the seeing at the market, seeing at the dynamics, I feel 15,000 is more likely to happen. Then 18,000 is not going to happen, 18,600 is not going to happen, 18,000 also you can sell calls. Today 18,600, 17,500, that is what people are doing. So if you see the open interest chart, let me go into this, sensible. If you see the open interest chart, people are aggressively writing calls everywhere from 17,500 all the way till 18,000, 18,500, 600 in weekly option, and even in weekly option premiums are really good premium. So what we can observe from here is 17,100 short straddle is being returned. Then if you see the highest open interest among call option is around 17,300. So I told 17,500. People are even writing 17,300. And when it comes to Bank Nifty is the worst performer. Axis Bank today tanked more than I think 6% today. 37,000 is having the highest open interest among call option, and literally there is no put rating. So Axis Bank is the culprit today, dragged the Nifty like anything, and HDFC Bank as usual, it is not at all performing, right? Axis Bank alone was down by 6.57%. So that's a huge drag by Axis Bank. So I hope at least now you can understand what is happening in the market. Don't expect the market to go on the upside. Go and short the market and you will make good money. So we have been telling this all this time. Now also we are saying you go and sell some call option with some hedges. You can make good money. Even if the market comes up, the premiums will work in your favor, because when the market reverses, goes up, theta decay is going to happen. Then because of India VIX, when the market goes up, India VIX will crash and still you will make money there also. So it's a wise decision to sell call options now, right? Anyway, I am happy that my predictions has gone right. So every rise is an opportunity to sell, and that is what is happening. Act smart. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.